Hi, this is Jason Hodge with Medical Fitness Pros here in Katy, Texas. I want to give you a few tips for traveling if you have back pain or hip pain. I know, for instance, I've been suffering a bout of it, and it's kind of miserable, to be honest with you. It's kind of scary to travel that far overseas and have to sit in a plane for a real long time. And the thought of your back acting up to where you can't enjoy it is just horrifying. So I'll give you a few tips of what I did while I was preparing for this. Number one was making sure I knew what I was going to be doing and preparing for it all the way. I knew, for instance, I'd be traveling in Italy and living on a lot of walking tours, so I made sure I could walk pretty well without pain. If you're going to be sitting a lot more, make sure you can find the most comfortable position to sit in. So, for instance, if you need a little bit of lumbar support when you sit down, it helps you a little bit with your back. That probably would be a good idea to bring with you on your trip. I know, for instance, with me, if I put a little bit of arch support in my shoes, I get a lot better support in the hip, and the more I walk, the better I feel. That was a great thing for me because basically just by adding a little bit of arch support, I get a lot more relief, and the more I walk, the better I feel. The second thing I would do is bring some things that may help you out, some little gadgets of some type. Arch support's one idea, maybe a pillow is another idea. If you sleep better with a pillow between your knees, then bring it, just in case you can't have access to it. You can also bring massage balls or stick, which is kind of like a self-myofascial release. Bring whatever it is you need beforehand, because that way, when you're here, just in case you need it, it'll give you a lot of relief pretty quickly. Another thing is stretch. I make sure I do a lot of stretches while I'm here. I'm doing my hamstring stretches, my T-band, my piriformis, and even on the plane I was still able to do them. And you can have a great time on your trip without a lot of pain. You may not be 100% pain-free, but you should at least be able to learn how to manage your pain while you're on the road. If you can at least manage the pain, it makes your trip a lot more enjoyable, and you get to do the things you want to do without having to worry about laying in bed the entire time. So this is Jason Hodge from Medical Fitness Pros in Italy right now, and I'll report back on some more things here soon.